Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mini Cooper tire. First, gather all your necessary tools like a jack, lug wrench, and your spare tire. Ensure your car is parked on a flat, stable surface, and always engage the parking brake for safety. Locating your spare and equipment beforehand makes the process much easier and safer. Now, before you lift the car, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by about 1/2 turn. Next, find the correct jacking point on your Mini Cooper's frame, usually near the flat tire. Carefully place the jack there and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. With the car safely lifted, you can now fully remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire off the wheel studs. Take your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs, then push it firmly into place. Hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs to hold the spare tire securely. Once the car is lowered, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double check that they are secure. Remember to check your spare tire's pressure as soon as possible and drive cautiously to a service center for a permanent repair or replacement. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other great deals. Always keep your flat tire for proper disposal or repair. Staying safe on the road is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.